you also want to create cinematic AI story videos like these for free? The biggest problem is that most AI tools require a paid subscription, add watermarks, or don't let you use their best models for free. Well, this exact movie you're watching right now was created using the same workflow I'm about to show you. And the surprising part is that most people already know this platform, but they have no idea they can use OmniFlash through it. So, in this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step. Let's get started. So, the tool we're using is Google Flow. Simply create your account and you're ready to go. To get started, click on New Project. Then, from the left sidebar, open the Tool section and scroll down until you find Storyboard Studio. Click on it, choose your preferred video style. I'm going with realistic because it gives a more cinematic look, then click Get Started. Once your workspace opens, you'll see three main sections: Script, Assets, and Storyboard. Let's start with the Script section. This is where you describe your story in just 1 or 2 sentences. For this example, I'm creating a story about a young girl exploring a beautiful forest filled with colorful flowers and wild creatures. Suddenly, a giant winged monster starts chasing her, forcing her to run through the forest until she reaches the edge of a cliff, jumps into the ocean below to escape, and safely washes ashore on a peaceful beach. Of course, you can write any story you want. It's completely up to you. Once you're done, press enter and Google Flow will instantly transform your idea into a complete storyboard. It doesn't just create a script, it also generates a title, divides your story into different scenes, creates consistent characters, and organizes everything automatically with AI. Now, open the Assets section. It will be empty at first. Simply click Autofill Characters, and within a few seconds, your main characters will be generated. The best part is that they stay consistent throughout the entire story. If you want to change anything, you can easily edit their appearance and other details, as I did. Next, do the same for the locations and props. Just click Autofill and Google Flow will automatically generate all the visuals your story needs. Now it's time to build our movie. Open the Storyboard section and click Autofill Scenes. Google Flow will use your script along with all the generated assets to create every scene automatically. In just a few seconds, your complete storyboard will be ready. As you can see, every image, from the first scene to the last, has been generated beautifully. Yes! Now comes the most exciting part, turning these images into a complete video. Go back to the Script section and open the Scenes tab. Here, you'll find the motion prompt for every generated scene. Copy the prompt for the first scene. Next, open All Media, where you'll see all of your generated images. Select the first image, click Add to Prompt, paste the motion prompt, and open the settings. Enable the video option and select OmniFlash as the video model. It creates incredibly cinematic results while using fewer credits than many other models. Once everything is ready, I click on Generate, and my first scene starts generating. And as you can see, it gets generated successfully. In the same way, I repeat the same process for all the remaining scenes, and you can see everything is being created one by one. You can clearly see the character consistency is maintained throughout all the scenes, and in the end, a complete AI movie is ready. Just check out the final result.
Esther! Move! Why won't you leave me alone? Help me! Thank you, God. Thank you. This was the best adventure of my life.
That's how you can transform any simple story into a stunning cinematic AI film with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful or learned something new, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Your support really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching. I'm Trixie, you're watching Nexa AI, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.